When the world ends, you don't build a home. You build a pause, something that buys you time. No tools, no plans, just hands, breath, and whatever the ground allows. Shelter isn't about comfort, it's about controlling wind, rain, and eyes. The first mistake people make, they look for walls. Survivors look for cover. Nature already built half your shelter. Your job is to not fight it. Height is a luxury. Low means warm. Low means hidden. The ground steals heat faster than the air. This is where people fail. Leaves, grass, pine needles, insulation is free if you know where to look. If water can reach you, cold will follow. Shelter starts with dryness. Mud isn't dirt, it's nature's glue. Branches don't need rope, they need pressure. Your shelter should disappear at 10 steps. If it doesn't, you built a target. Wind direction decides everything. Ignore it and you won't last the night. One opening, never two. Heat escapes, eyes enter. Darkness is protection if you respect it. Fire outside attracts attention. Warmth should stay quiet. Your body is the heater. The shelter only traps what you create. Movement wastes calories. Calories are survival currency. Noise travels farther at night. So does fear. Rain tests shelters. Cold judges them. A good shelter doesn't feel safe. It works quietly. Mourning doesn't mean safety. It means exposure. Before leaving, erase yourself. Survivors don't build once, they adapt daily. The best shelter is temporary. Permanent structures invite problems. Tools break, skills don't. Most people wait for help. The smart ones prepare for silence. Shelter isn't about surviving forever. It's about surviving tonight. If you made it this far, you didn't build a shelter. You built time. When the world ends, those who last aren't the strongest, they're the quietest.